Hello, here's a Casablanca Constellation. I got it off of eBay for $85 plus shipping. It is not in the perfect condition, but it's pretty good. Some scratches here and scratches on the blade badges. It's my favorite Casablanca Ceiling Fan because of the vents. It has rosewood blades and it is in comfort touch. It included this short down rod and this hang true canopy with the hatch and the mounting brackets. And we will start this fan with test. The beeper on this comfort touch remote is not working, but that's not a big problem for me. So test. There is no light on it. Speed 1. Speed 3. The light is going up. This means that the air is blowing down, which is for summer. Light is dimming. Speed 6. It's moving a lot of air and it's super quiet. Reverse, blowing up now for winter. Reversing, then turning off. Now the fan's off. The light is brighter. And the light's off. And that's test mode. Now we will start with low speed. Speed 1. It has a very good low speed. Speed 2. Uh-oh, that's turning it off. Faster. Speed 3. Speed 4. Speed 5. And speed 6. Moving a lot of air. Now we will reverse it. Reverse is in this panel. Speed 6. Reversed. Speed 5. Reversed. Speed 4, reversed. Speed 3, reversed. Speed 2, reversed. And speed 1, reversed. And I'm going to reverse it back now. And off. It's now off. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye!